This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a phone number in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. To hyperlink text to a phone number in Google Slides, it's very easy to do. Say that this phone number right here I wanted to make into a clickable link to where if somebody clicks on it, it will call a phone number. First thing you want to do is select the text that you want to hyperlink. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag across the text that I want to hyperlink. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab. I'm going to click on Insert. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Link. And I'm going to click on Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens here, you want to type in the phone number using this formula right here. You want to start off with tell, colon, followed by the country code. I live in the United States, so my country code is 1, followed by the area code, followed by the 7-digit phone number. Then you want to go off to the right and you want to click on Apply. Now as you can see, that text has turned into a hyperlink. If I click on the text, it tells you right below there that's a hyperlink. Now to test this, you could either click on this link right here, or you could place your mouse cursor over the text, hold down the Alt key, and press the Enter key while holding down the Alt key. Now as you can see, it opens up my phone app, and off to the right here is the phone number that I had placed in there. It's ready to be called. That is how to hyperlink text to a phone number in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.